What is social intelligence? The popular saying goes that 2 heads are better than 1, but what about 3, 100, or 10 million? Can 10 million people become a thinking organism, far more intelligent and effective than each of its individual members? Back in 1806, Francis Galton conducted an experiment to see how the wisdom of the crowd could be used to estimate the weight of a cow through intuition. This experiment involved the opinions of around 800 people, some of whom had expertise on the subject, but the vast majority of whom had absolutely no idea about the weight of a cow. Individually, most were certainly wrong, but when the responses were combined and averaged, the result was remarkably accurate and demonstrated that it's possible to use collective knowledge to solve problems. That works well for the weight of a cow, but how do we harness collective wisdom to tackle more complex issues? Could we connect 10 or 100 million people to collaboratively create solutions? This is what we call social intelligence, a mechanism that leverages technology to locate, gather, and organize human knowledge and technical skills to solve specific social problems at different levels, while also storing and organizing information about these experiences as input for developing increasingly efficient processes. The Todos platform is the first social intelligence system that aims to massively aggregate and organize human knowledge and technical skills to generate the kind of solutions that communities need. It functions like a social network, but it creates a connection that goes beyond a list of contacts, uniting people through a system of organic participation that provides solutions to common problems. These solutions evolve into projects, which are funded by the network while compensating communities for their work. Resources are obtained through the commercialization of advertising spaces, subscriptions, and donations, making the platform sustainable and driving its growth. While this model can integrate artificial intelligence, its focus and processes are different because the responses it produces are intended to create real-world connections through concrete actions. The developed projects feed the network of experience and information, which become the seeds for the development of other initiatives around the world, thus connecting a broad network of knowledge through collective co-creation experiences. By understanding humanity as a conscious being, we also understand current society as a dysfunctional organism due to the poor connection between the individuals that comprise it. However, this organism can gradually recover as connections between individuals are re-established, recognizing that their capabilities and needs are the connectors that allow the flow of energy and information. Each individual is a key element of this network because their knowledge and experiences are unique and contribute in a unique way to building a common thought and experience. Of course, this collective brain functions better as more neurons feed this network, and you are an indispensable part of this social intelligence model. That's why we need you, because this is a space that we build together and for everyone. Join us.